Natural herbal tea for detox and weight loss. You will need 5 ingredients and 2 minutes. It's simple and it's something you can enjoy at home or at work. One of the important things you need to do while trying to lose weight is detox, and it will not only give you the body you want, you also become healthier. The first ingredient is green tea. In this recipe, it will be best to use fresh ingredients, so if you can get loose leaf tea, that will be better. Regular tea bags are okay, but to maximize the effect, I would suggest using 4 tea bags for a concentrated batch. Steep your green tea leaves in a mason jar filled to the brim with hot water and wait until this tea becomes fragrant. What we'll do is we'll leave the leaves there to allow them to steep for a longer time. Green tea has been proven to aid with fat metabolism, and it's all thanks to its polyphenol known as ECGC. It's an antioxidant that works like magic by encouraging the body to break down body fat more efficiently. Another surprising substance in green tea is caffeine, which also has a role in speeding up fat metabolism side by side with the tea's polyphenols. Plus, caffeine is found to have effects in blunting the appetite. These actions will leave you craving less as your body burns its own fat for fuel, keeping your energy stable, which you can use for exercise, further speeding up your weight loss. The best part about this recipe is you can take sips of this detox tea throughout the day during work, while at the gym, or when doing chores at home, so your energy is always maxed. The next ingredient is cinnamon. In this recipe, we'll be using 1 fresh cinnamon stick, but if you don't have that available, you can use a teaspoon of the one in powder form. But again, we want fresh and not just flavoring. Not only will this make your tea more fragrant than ever, but it'll also spice up the fat-burning effect of the tea. The reason is cinnamon controls blood sugar levels. When our bodies have more than enough blood sugar, they tend to store them as fat. So always remember that blood sugar control is tied with fat-burning action in the body. Making our body metabolize fat will get easier when it has good control of blood sugar levels. Plus, fresh cinnamon has an interesting power to make digestion work more efficiently by making the passing of food from the stomach to the intestines slow down. This reduces feelings of hunger and cravings. This will also be the best time to practice eating smaller portions because the stomach will start to get used to taking its time to digest food really well. The third ingredient on our list is lemon. Lemons are handy because you can stock up on lemons by putting them in the freezer, so you'll have a fresh one ready for your everyday drink. We'll use half a lemon for this recipe. Squeeze its juice out and add that to the jar. You may be thinking of adding white sugar or honey now, since that makes a perfect lemonade. Well, it'll be a better choice to use the healthier alternatives such as stevia, but sweeteners really aren't required in this fat-burning, low-calorie recipe. After all, our goal is to keep the calories low and keep blood sugar levels stable. Together with a proper diet and exercise, you will surely notice a difference on your weight and belly fat every week. And our last ingredient is ginger. This powerful root herb is another fat-burning champion among foods. All you need to do is add 2 slices of fresh ginger to the jar. You can also use a teaspoon of ground ginger if you don't have the fresh one available, but again, fresh is a must. Ginger has a so-called thermogenic effect, meaning it warms the body up, which affects metabolism positively. Calories are burned faster when the body is warming up. This is why exercising helps to burn calories and improve metabolism. Speaking of ginger and of exercise, there's one interesting story about the power of the herb. Ginger is one of the ingredients to a health tonic known as the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. A 45-year-old lady by the name of Susan Adley had suffered from a serious weight condition that she got a heart attack. She had tried all ways of losing weight without any help. After taking a special Japanese tonic, she lost 54 pounds in just 7 weeks. Check out our incredible story using the link in the description. It only goes to show that potent herbs bring favorable effects to our bodies, and we can take advantage of that to become fit and healthy. If you love this video, please share and click the subscribe button. We have a lot of health videos coming up, so be sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss them. Thank you for watching!